In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create different contact lists on Agile CRM. We're going to keep this really simple. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to organize your contacts into clear, reusable lists using tags without creating separate databases or doing anything complicated. First, make sure you're on the main contacts page inside Agile CRM. This is where you see your full contact list in a grid or table view. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the people you want to include in your new list. When you're ready, start selecting them by clicking the checkboxes next to each contact's name. You can select just a few or scroll and select as many as you need. If you have a very large list, it can help to sort or search first, then use the checkboxes to grab everyone who matches what you're looking for. Once you've selected your contacts, look toward the top of the contact list grid. You'll see an option called Bulk Update Fields. This is the tool that lets you apply changes to many contacts at once, which is perfect for building lists quickly. Go ahead and click on Bulk Update Fields. A menu or pop-up will open that lets you choose which field you want to update. Inside this Bulk Update menu, find the field labeled Tags. This is where we'll create the list by assigning a tag that all these contacts will share. Click into the Tags field and type a name that clearly describes this group. For example, you might use something like Event Attendees, Newsletter Subscribers, or VIP Customers. Choose a name that you'll recognize later and try to be consistent with your naming so your account stays organized over time. After you've entered your tag name, confirm that everything looks correct. Then, click the button to apply the change and save the action. Agile CRM will now add that tag to every contact you selected. Depending on how many contacts you picked, this might take a moment, but usually it's pretty quick. Once the tag has been applied, your new list is ready to use. To view it, go back to your Contacts page and look at the Filters menu on the right side of the screen. In the Filters panel, find the option to filter by tags. Select the tag you just created, and Agile CRM will instantly show only the contacts that belong to that tag. From now on, whenever you need that list, just open Filters, pick the tag, and your custom contact list will appear.